What's up, Blue Chips? 2 trades today. One was an accident, but we figured out why, and there was also why it happened yesterday. And then we had one real trade, which was a bit of a doozy. So, let's get to it. Not really much going on here. Just flip through some charts. Kind of sad we didn't get the trade CLF, just didn't have shares there. Let's try and check WW. Whoa, what? Okay, it's the same thing that happened to us yesterday. Zero clue why it happened. It's actually, at least this time, it's not as bad. Yesterday, it put us in this very similar situation, but long. We're just going to go ahead and take it there. Oh, I thought it said we had 250 there. Probably didn't get the... Why is it still up on the level 2 there? I don't... Okay, there's no open orders. Alright, I'm assuming the SPY is going absolutely nuts, because everything else is going the opposite way. I don't have any I'm looking for one that we have shares on. Let's check Nugget. Alright, we have shares here. It's a huge move. Pull a SPY up over here just in case. See, jeez, look at that move. I mean, we're gonna go ahead and get started here. SPY, that's a huge move by a SPY. It's like, I wouldn't say flash crash, but something, interesting. Something's going on. Look to add up through 3150 here. And we're through 50. Look at this move. This is crazy. Up to 60. Wanted to hit it at 60 there. Coming back up a little bit. All right, we're going to hit it here. What do we got? We got 51 there. Ouch. It was at 55. It dropped to 51 there. Look at the scanners. That was nuts. I thought I wanted to trade TVIX here, because the Nugget isn't necessarily... I wonder if... This was, I think, like the third one I checked. I should have kept looking. Because this doesn't follow the SPY completely. Hold on, bud. Leave it alone, please. Yeah, Daddy's working. Yeah. You can't hear it? Just watch the TV for a little bit. Daddy's in a trade, okay? Let me finish working, and then we'll play after I'm done this trade, okay? Yeah, there's nothing to hear. You see the trade? Look. See the arrows? The red arrows? It means Daddy's in a trade. You want to trade? Oh, you can't trade. When you get a little bit older, Daddy will teach you. Hopefully. Hopefully we're still trading then. This thing is just relentless. We're going to, instead of a 1-1-2 here, just in case, this is starting to feel a little awkward, we're going to just kind of 1-1-1 it in case we need to add again. We're going to hit it there. I got 79. Felt like that was a pretty good one. And nope, it wants to keep going. So we'll look to kind of add another 50 here. If it gets up there through 32. The SPY, man, look at that. This is nuts. I feel like we're sized in okay here. Just based on the range of gold. It's not that great. Oops, what the heck? All right, we're through 32. Oh, yep, let me change this to 50. Kind of coming back under. Kind of missed the opportunity there. This thing's pretty whippy. Understandably so, looking at the SPY. If we can get back over 32, we'll probably look to hit this. If not, we'll just see if it wants to kind of come back down to us. I mean, the end goal here would be to get all the way back down there to like $30.70. All right, we're back up over 32. We're going to hit it there. Got 07. Just feels like it's starting to find support there on the SPY, so we're kind of looking for that to kind of be the same story here as far as finding resistance. So it looks like our average is at 31.66 now. Looks like it's trying to still go a little bit higher, and there goes the SPY going lower. This thing is nuts. And this is why we did the 1111 at this point instead of the 112 and so forth, because we didn't want to build our position too much, because it kind of feels like something fishy going on here. All right, we're getting this move down. It's coming right to our average, but not quite getting there. We're like right there. We're under. See if we can keep going. It's coming back up. We're going to take 50% there at a loss. By not that much, by 4 cents. But we don't want to chance this this is a pretty big move down. Don't want it to kind of go, okay, see if we can get down there towards 50. Okay, we're at 50. We're just going to take the whole thing here. All right, we're going to take it there. Looks like it might try to hold 50 here. So, all right. So we ended up getting out of that with a green trade. Did not really like how it was feeling. All right, traders, so that was my 2 trades, one on NUGT and one on WW. So what happened with WW? Let me go ahead and pull up what I did not know. But if you go to set your global settings and go down to keyboard here, this enable num enter key order transmit was checked by default. And sometimes when I take my mouse and say I'm like over here and I put the symbol in, if I'm using the left hand, which for W, you use your left hand, so I hit WW twice, and then my right hand lifts off the mouse, and it's naturally closer to the enter key on the numpad. So that's what I did, and I'm only assuming that that's what happened yesterday on the ticker. I don't even remember what ticker it was, ARQL, I think. And so, yeah, obviously that's disabled now. And I haven't had an issue with it since. I actually tested it just to make sure. And yeah, NUGT, what a crazy move. I did find out that we can trade SQQQ, but I was hoping we had one like TVIX that was, as you can see, it's easy to borrow. I was hoping we had one like TVIX that was a little bit lower priced, but unfortunately, I checked them all. I couldn't really find any. UVXY, VXX, VIXY, like none of them had easy to borrow shares available. So that was kind of how we ended up on Nugget. I didn't actually check all of those before I got in the Nugget. I just didn't want to miss the move. This was such an intense move. But just, yeah, look at this move on the SPY. Just pretty much straight down, and then it retraced the whole move. Kind of did the same thing over here for us, but it is what it is. We'll take the small winner and kind of move on to tomorrow. Still trying to figure out everything with the platform, as you can see. And yeah, so like and subscribe, guys. As you can see, the kids are starting to be a little bit of pain. I'm getting ready to lay him down in a little bit after I feed him. So again, I appreciate you guys' support. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.